If you're a gamer trying to capture those impressive clutch moments, or a content creator working on tutorials for your channel, finding a good screen recorder can honestly feel like a mess, because most tools that call themselves free stop working the moment the trial ends. So in this video, I'm sharing my 4 personal best screen recorders that are completely free with 0 time limits and no watermarks at all. Each screen recorder in this list is unique in some way, so if you want the best option for your use case, make sure you watch till the end. Starting off with the first option, Scrinley Screen Recorder. This screen recorder is best if you want to create screen recordings with no editing needed, and you'll understand why in a second. Once you install Scrinley on your PC and open it, you'll notice a small floating icon on the side of your screen, which you can easily minimize or move if it gets in the way. To start recording, just click on the icon, select Record Video, and choose whether you want to capture your full screen or a custom area. And yes, you also get options to enable your microphone and webcam. Now before recording, the settings panel is where you should spend a moment. For the best results, I recommend setting the FPS to 60 and the quality to high. And you can also enable mouse clicks and cursor visibility by checking these boxes. One thing you should know is that Scrinley is a basic level screen recorder, and the resolution options are not clearly mentioned in the settings, and from my testing, it performs best at 720p, while 1080p is kinda acceptable, so keep your expectations realistic. Where Scrinley really shines is during recording, because when you move your cursor to the side, a toolbar pops up, allowing you to use arrows, rectangles, and other shapes to directly demonstrate things on screen, which is perfect if you want to guide your viewers live without doing any editing. You can also customize keyboard shortcuts in the settings, making it faster and more comfortable to use. On the second number, we have FreeCam, and this is a screen recorder I've actually used myself during the early days of my YouTube journey, so I can confidently say it's a reliable option. To download FreeCam, you'll need to enter your email address, after which the download starts automatically. To record your screen, just click on New Recording, and the recording panel will appear, where you can manually set the recording area and enable the microphone if you want to record voiceovers. With FreeCam, you can record videos in up to full HD resolution, and the video quality will surprise you. When you stop recording, the video opens in a basic built-in editor, where you can trim or remove unwanted parts. Overall, if you're looking for an easy screen recorder that doesn't compromise on video quality, FreeCam is a great option. Next up on the list is Screenify. This screen recorder was launched recently, and it's honestly a pretty impressive tool because it gives you the flexibility to record in 4K at 60 FPS, which is something most free screen recorders simply don't offer. When you open Screenify, you'll see a simple layout where you can choose to record your full screen or select a custom area manually, then enable your speakers and microphone, and hit record. Now, we'll look at the recordings, but first, let's check the settings panel. Here you get proper controls for things like video quality, frame rate, and keyboard shortcuts, so you can fine-tune everything. It also has a custom watermark feature, but it's limited to text only, so you won't be able to add a logo image. In terms of output quality, the recordings you're seeing right now were captured using Screenify, and you can clearly tell how sharp and clean they look, especially for static screens and tutorials. That said, this software is much better suited for tutorials, screen demos, and explanation videos, and I wouldn't recommend it for gameplay recording, where you need more advanced performance handling. Overall, if your goal is high-quality 4K tutorial content with a simple workflow, Screenify is a strong option. On the fourth number, we have OBS Studio. This is hands down one of the most powerful free screen recorders you can find today. OBS Studio is completely free and open source. It offers features that many paid screen recorders still can't compete with. That's why it's so popular for gameplay recording and live streaming. One thing you need to understand is that OBS is not a plug-and-play software. The interface can feel a bit complex at first, and you'll need to spend some time adjusting important settings like output resolution, bitrate, and encoder based on your system configuration, because the recording quality here depends heavily on your CPU and GPU. So proper setup really matters. With OBS, you can add face cams, custom watermarks, create multiple scenes, and easily switch between recording and live streaming layouts. So if you don't want to compromise on quality and want a premium level experience without spending a single penny, There's honestly no better option than OBS Studio.